everyone, we're going to find the derivative of the function using the fundamental theorem of calculus, and our function is g of x. We're also going to use this hint and break this up so we can use the fundamental theorem, and it'll make it a lot easier if we do that. So that's how we're going to do it. The problem gave us the hint. If they give you the hint, that means you're supposed to use it. So let's go ahead and use the hint and write this as such. So I'm going to write it as, because you can't see this, it's going to be 2x to 0, u squared minus 1, u squared plus 1 du, plus the integral from 0 to 3x, u squared minus 1 divided by u squared plus 1 du. Now we're just going to do one more step. We don't want the smaller number here. You don't have to, but it makes it easier. So let's flip these around. To do that, you can pull out a negative and write this. Copy everything down again. And this one's fine. All right. Now the next step is to go ahead and take g prime of x. So using our fundamental theorem of calculus, g prime of x is going to equal your f of x, and you're just plugging in the x part. And that just means this upper limit. So all you're going to get, and I'm going to go ahead and pull the negative here, negative 2x squared minus 1. And then you have 2x squared plus 1. And then your derivative of u. So you just write, we could have done that earlier, but I'm just going to do it here. Times when you differentiate 2x. Okay. Plus, and do the same thing with your 3x. Minus 1. 3x squared plus 1 times d derivative of, what is it, 3x, and then with respect to x. Okay, so I'm going to go to the next slide, but this is just going to be 3. Once you differentiate that, this is going to be 2. So let's write that down. So our final answer is going to be negative 2. And then we had 2x squared. So that's going to be 4x squared minus 1 divided by 4x squared plus 1. Then we had plus, the other one we had was 3x squared. And that's going to be, so we had a 3. And that's going to be 9x squared minus 1 divided by 9x squared plus 1. So it's pretty easy once you use the hint. All you had to do is substitute it in, and then go ahead and differentiate your 3x and your 2x. And I would leave it like that. You could go ahead and distribute if you want, but there's really no need to. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.